All right, so I want to show you how to use MidJourney. So if you go into Discord, you'll see that there's actually a MidJourney. There's a MidJourney Discord server. You want to go to the MidJourney website and we'll go into MidJourney from there. So let's see. All right, so how to use MidJourney. So as you can see here, I was working on some random stuff. So all you're going to do is you're going to type in slash, and then it should pop up the frequently used prompts. You're going to click on imagine, and then you're going to type in the thing that you want to do art for. So let's say large turtle floating in the ocean. Sharks everywhere. So we have the description, and then we want to go up. I'm going to actually copy and paste this piece here, this prefix or the suffix here. I'm going to copy and paste it into here. I'm going to change it because this is for not for publication. So I'm going to move it to 16 pixels, 1600 pixels by 1600 pixels. I'm going to hit enter. And then you just have to wait for it to render. And when it does render, it'll give you 4 options. Now this is running a little bit slow because I have it set to relaxed and not to fast. There are 2 settings you can have it on. It always defaults to fast. I have had it default to relaxed because otherwise they start charging for bandwidth once I use up my allotted monthly share. So I think it's $10 a month for a basic membership, which gives you so many renders, and then $30 a month for unlimited renders, but they cut you off after so much bandwidth that you suck up. There's thousands of people using this AI program. So good thing is you don't have to download anything. It's right on your computer. So we're going to click on this. Okay, we got some random turtles. I don't see sharks. I see a turtle. So the turtle doesn't really look like a turtle, but I'm going to click up upscale. And what we're going to do is it's going to make the image bigger. There's a reason why I'm going to do it like this. So after upscales, you have the option of remastering it. And when you remaster it, it tends to make it a little bit closer to what you're looking for. So the AI stuff, I didn't put in photorealistic, I didn't put in realistic or illustration. I just give you a really basic descriptor. Of course, it didn't give us any sharks, which means I probably should have dumped the comma here and just left it as one long sentence. Usually when you put commas in here, this is for the other descriptors. So maybe illustration, Looney Tunes style, maybe a genre that you wanted in horror or science fiction. So I think I can scroll up and see some other pieces I've done. Yesterday I was just kind of toying around with stuff. Star Wars. Some random stuff. MidJourney is like a drug. Once you start doing this, you're not going to want to stop. Will this replace traditional artists? Possibly. Just no guarantees. Eventually, people are going to get tired of it. MidJourney definitely gets pretty redundant after a while if you don't have good word skills. Now I'm going to click remaster here and wait for it to start. So all I did here was it'll make a bigger file that I can actually save somewhere. Now I have this aspect ratio set to what I do when I do art on Adobe Photoshop. Now you see, now you have a turtle surrounded by sharks swimming in the ocean. The remaster tends to make it more in line with what you've written. So this always comes off as a concept. Now you can, if you don't like this, hit redo. And what I'll do is it'll give you a new variation of what you've asked for. Now, personally, this works. This would work for me. A turtle in the sea. You see a turtle in the sea here, surrounded by sharks. We're getting closer. So that's how you use MidJourney. And then when you get done, you click on Open Original, and that'll take you to another page. Then right-click and then save it. Save the file, and it'll save it to the aspect ratio you have set here. So, all right. Hopefully that helps you all understand how to do this. And happy AI arting.